This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock with chicken powder. First, gather your essential ingredients: chicken powder, hot water, and any optional aromatics like garlic or onion. You'll also need a large pot or heat-safe bowl for mixing, along with measuring spoons and cups. This simple method ensures a flavorful stock in minutes, perfect for various recipes. Next, let's mix our ingredients for optimal flavor. For a standard stock, combine 1 tablespoon of chicken powder with 2 cups of hot water. Stir thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved, ensuring no lumps remain. You can easily adjust this ratio to achieve a stronger or lighter stock, depending on your recipe's needs and personal preference. To elevate your stock, consider adding fresh aromatics. Chopped onions, carrots, and celery can significantly enhance the flavor profile. Simply add them to your dissolved chicken stock and simmer gently for at least 10 minutes. This allows the vegetables to infuse their essence. Remember to strain the stock before using it for a perfectly clear liquid. Once your chicken stock is ready, let it cool completely before storing. Transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze the stock in ice cube trays. These frozen cubes can last for up to 3 months. This versatile stock is perfect for enriching soups, sauces, gravies, and many other culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.